So we are into the nitty-gritty of the Christmas season of the English Premier League. And again, the league bullies Manchester City and Pep Guardiola are in pole position and will lead the league at Christmas. And if you know the history of that dynamic, you know that Guardiola and City are now favored to run away with their fourth league title in the last 5 seasons. Thank God for the world's best coach, Jurgen Klopp, who continues to do wonders with his skeleton squad of role players at Liverpool, playing at a high enough level to keep Man City honest. The likes of Chelsea and noisy Manchester United have been fading like the sunset. I have a question. Let us say Pep Guardiola, with his expensively assembled, star-studded Manchester City team, go on to win the league again. And another of the English teams, such as Liverpool or Chelsea, the defending champions, or even Manchester United, let us say one of those go on to win the Champions League, obviously at the expense of City. Which would be a bigger achievement? Pep bullying the league again, or Liverpool, or Chelsea, or Manchester United becoming champions of Europe? Which club would have had a better season?